I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest video where I take you on a walking tour of the romantic beaches of Villefrche-sur-Mer in Fort Kelvin. This picturesque coastal town is situated in the heart of the French Riviera and is known for its stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant Mediterranean lifestyle. Before we start the tour, I would like to ask you to click on the like button and share this video with your friends who love to travel. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
If you want to see the hottest video of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
And hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest travel adventures. Now let's begin our tour. The beaches of Villefrche-sur-Mer are renowned for their beauty, and it's not hard to see why. The fine goldens and tranquil waters and stunning surroundings make it a perfect spot for sunbathing and swimming. As we stroll along the beachfront, we'll take in the picturesque views of the stunning villas, colorful houses, and the endless blue sea. One of the most popular beaches in Villefrche-sur-Mer is the Plage des Marinières, which is situated in a picturesque bay and offers a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean Sea. The beach is perfect for sunbathing and swimming, and there are many cafes and restaurants nearby where you can grab a bite to eat. If you have any questions or comments about the tour or the location, please feel free to write them down in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated on my latest travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.